Mario's Plumbing. Mario speaking. How may I help you?
Yeah, hello, yeah. I got a leaky tap here driving me crazy. Will you guys fix that?
Yeah, where you live?
Hey, hold on there. What do you charge?
Well, a leaky faucet, you're looking at an hour or two, $75 an hour.
Hold on there. $150 to put a washer in.
Well, it might not be the washer, you know. I've got to open it all up.
Look it, buddy, for $150 I can buy a new sink.
Well, why don't you then?
You know what, buddy, I'm going to fix it myself.
Fine. Suit yourself.
Fine. Goodbye.
Huh?
Mario's Plumbing. I called earlier about the faucet. Turns out it might be a little bit more than I can handle. So, you finally decided to call the professionals, eh? I'll be around in 5 minutes.